The tropics are active.
Yes, they are, as you would expect. This
Right,
is
at this
the
time.
last part of August. We approach the peak as it's September 10th, so it's not too far off. And we are watching a system that's going to cause some big problems in Louisiana, which they've been dealing with flooding for the last few weeks now. Here's what's going on with our weather, though. It's pretty nice. This is a beautiful shot. 36 years they're celebrating their anniversary tonight. They sent this photo in, Tracy and Terry Roberts. And Terry's Plumbing there at Holmes Beach, the Beach Bistro, having a great time there tonight. Appreciate that lovely photo and thinking about us on your anniversary. Sarasota, Art Conforti getting this shot just as the sun was dropping below the horizon. The sun gave us a good show yesterday and giving us a great show tonight, too. Casey Key, Fred Seeger, also a very nice photo. Well, here's a look at the satellite imagery showing you what's going on as far as the system of Harvey. Harvey was down. It was down to a tropical wave, and now looks like it's going to get back to a tropical depression and possibly a tropical storm as early as tomorrow, and could become a hurricane. Now, there's some lots of question marks with where that is going, and we're watching our own little system here. It still has a 30% chance, not much, of developing into something tropical over the next several days. Not so much tomorrow, but in the next several days. We'll keep an eye on it. It's already kicking off some pretty big storms to the west and south of our area. Also notice the showers starting to develop into Lake Okeechobee. So what's going to happen is that this moisture is going to kind of pinwheel in our direction beginning tomorrow and sticking around through Thursday and Friday and possibly into the weekend. So a lot can happen out there in the Gulf of Mexico with the water temperature at 90 degrees. It bears watching. We saw how quickly Emily formed, and that didn't have much of a chance developing either a couple of days prior. 83 right now, the heat index at 90. At one point today, the heat index was at 105 degrees right around 3 o'clock this afternoon. I don't think we'll see as high a temperature tomorrow due to the increased cloud cover and a chance to rain, but still very hot in the afternoon, as you would expect. There it is, 96 the high, 6 degrees above average, 1 degree shy of the record of 97 set back in 1919. We could use some rainfall, and it looks like we're going to get some over the next at least 3 to 4 days now. Temperatures statewide, upper 70s to low 80s, 83 in Sarasota, 86 degrees in Miami now, and temperatures all in the 80s from Northport, Englewood, Wauchula into Lakewood Ranch as well, 84 at Cortez and Bradenton checking in at 83. Wednesday's forecast is calling for partly cloudy skies in the morning with a good chance for showers and storms scattered about in the afternoon and evening on throughout Wednesday. Now, as far as the futurecast goes, that rain down to our south kind of stays there, but notice that moisture increasing. Looks like a pickup, our drop-off will be okay for school, but a pickup may be a little bit of a problem if it's late. Showers and storms expected to be rather heavy tomorrow, late afternoon and evening, tapering off, and then they'll come back on Thursday, mainly in the afternoon and evening with showers and storms around. So you get the picture, plenty of moisture availability for these storms. Well, tropical trouble, we'll watch this wave as it makes its way across the southern portion of the state and kind of dances around the eastern Gulf of Mexico over the next couple of days. As far as where it's going, well, these are some of the forecast models, and you can see a couple of them just kind of hanging around out here in the Gulf of Mexico and then eventually back off toward the east. Now, as far as Harvey is concerned, there's a lot of problems with Harvey because it's going to move off to the northwest and then go to Texas and then just stop right there, and then eventually head off to the east and cause significant problems with flooding. This could be a big deal over the upcoming days. Now let's get the boating forecast real quick. Winds will be 10 knots or less, seas running right around 2 feet or less with a light chop on the bays and inland waters. The forecast looks like this for the next 7 days. You guessed it, showers and storms in the forecast all the way through the weekend. Some of that rain could be heavy at times. Haley?
Thank you, Bob.